Most people don't know this, but you can now replace your financial advisor with a handful of insanely powerful apps, and some of them actually do a better job. Stay with me because I'll show you a crucial detail at the end that could save you thousands most people never consider. Let's start with the big one, Wealthfront. This app acts like a full-service financial advisor, but it's automated, fee-transparent, and honestly, a lot smarter than most human advisors I've met in my career. It handles your investments, tax loss harvesting, even savings goals, without trying to sell you on some random insurance product you don't need. Next, Empower, formerly known as Personal Capital. I've used this one myself when consulting clients who were skeptical about their advisors. It gives you a full picture of your net worth, cash flow, investments, and retirement projections in one place. And here's the kicker, it's free. The value this app provides for portfolio tracking alone puts most advisor dashboards to shame. Now, if you're more hands-on, check out YNAB, You Need a Budget. This app won't manage your investments, but it teaches you how to think like a CFO. I've seen people go from financial chaos to total control in under 90 days using it. If financial advisors teach you discipline, YNAB gives you the tools to build it yourself. For passive investing with zero friction, you need to look at M1 Finance. It blends robo-advising with customizable investing. You can set up what they call pies, basically mini portfolios, and automate everything from deposits to rebalancing. I showed this to a friend paying 1% in advisor fees, and he switched the same week. And if you want to simulate future financial scenarios, like buying a house, retiring early, or starting a business, then Monarch Money is the app you've probably never heard of, but absolutely should try. Think of it as a financial advisor in sandbox mode. It's perfect for long-term planning without a sales pitch baked in. Here's the thing most videos won't tell you. A lot of creators only recommend these apps because they get paid through affiliate commissions. I'm not. I'm telling you this because I've worked behind the scenes with people who've wasted fortunes on professional advice that could have been replaced with smart tools like these. And this is where most people go wrong. They assume financial advisors are more emotionally intelligent or personalized. But these apps now factor in goals, risk tolerance, tax strategy, just like any advisor would. Some even use AI to spot inefficiencies and optimize faster than a human could. So why watch till the end? Because the biggest risk you take when replacing a financial advisor isn't what you think, and I'll tell you exactly what that is. It's behavioral bias. Every single app I mentioned is only as good as your ability to stick to a plan. That's where people fall off. They don't lose because the tech failed. They lose because they second-guessed it. So here's the takeaway. Yes, these are the best apps that replace financial advisors, but only if you treat them like one, by following through. If you got value from this video, subscribe. That's the best way to support content that's not driven by hidden affiliate deals.